Hello instructor, this is Fernando Gonzalez, and well, I want to show you the what I was working during this week. Well, I was working in this view but implemented in this way using Cooler Klet Poly and with let me show you using Express handlebars. And well, I was struggling, I don't know, maybe 8 hours fix an errors that I was having in my routes index.js, because when I was trying to um, uh, getting into one of these two um, routes, this name was passing as a parameter for one of the two functions. I didn't why, but I reorganized my router and that now it's working. And I want to this is from sorry. Oh, I was having another errors. My I don't know what exactly was the error, because I am using path node, and the in the console was telling me that the node path was not found, and I don't know what I did, but now it's working. This is my link, and I had to update my routes. Now let me show you album. But now I'm experiencing this new error or problem. I don't know why my Swagger is not working, and I have almost all this day trying to know why, but I can find the reason. This is what is showing me in the console, and I don't know if that is related to the new implementations that I was doing, I was making in my project. But you can see failed to load resource. The server responded with a status of 44, and I don't know why is happening that. I have tried a lot of things, but I can get the problem. So I really sorry, because I cannot show you during this week my node application is working, even when in the last week was perfectly working. But I'm really tired right now, and I expect to um, fix this issue during the next week. I expect that. So have a good night.